So for number 3, remember your base is what is being raised to an exponent. So if you notice very clearly, we separated the a value from the base. And remember, you're always going to be able to tell the base because that's what the exponent is being attached to. So the base is 10. 10 is greater than 1, so I know that this is a growth. Your HK is -1, -7. Guys, you have 4 transformations on this. Let's go ahead and identify the transformations from HK. It's going to be 1 unit to the left. This graph has been shifted 7 units down. And then remember, the negative for the a value is a vertical reflection. And we also have a vertical stretch by a factor of 2. Your domain is always negative to positive infinity, but your range is going to be based on your asymptote. So this asymptote, guys, is y equals -7. But this is a ceiling, behaves like a ceiling. And I know it behaves like a ceiling because of the vertical reflection. So that's the highest the graph is ever going to get, which means the graph goes down forever. So your range is going to be -infinity up to -7. To find the y-intercept, we plug in 0 for the letter x and solve. So the y-intercept is going to be -2 times 10 raised to the 0 plus 1. And then we have a -7 out at the end. 10 to the 0 plus 1, that's just going to be a 10, guys. And a -2 times a 10 minus 7 is going to be -27. Let's go ahead and talk about number 4. Remember, for number 4, the natural number is 2 point something. So we know that it's going to be a growth because e is greater than 1. Your HK is just going to be 0,4 because we don't have anything in the parentheses. If we don't have anything in parentheses, then you don't have any sideways movement. So you only have one transformation. The only transformation that you have is this graph went up 4 units. That's it. Your domain is still negative to positive infinity like it always is. Never going to change. And guys, we don't have a vertical reflection. So my asymptote of y equals 4 behaves like a normal floor. So the range is going to start at that 4, and then it goes up forever. And then your y-intercept is 0,5 because, guys, when I plug in a 0 right there for that exponent of e, remember anything to the 0 is 1. So that's 1 plus 5. I'm sorry, that's 1 plus 4, which gives you a 5 for the y-intercept. Any questions?